So hey guys, what's up? It's your host Mr. Master. Like always, I'm back with a new amazing video once again, guys. So I really don't know that if you're using Windows 7 or not, but this error is coming again and again. And for me, and let me just show you how this error look like. So unexpectedly, my Windows gets shut down and it gives me this error. And after shutdown, this it was giving me this when the PC was starting. So yeah, so let's begin with this video, guys, how to fix this up. So like most of the video you have been seen on other YouTube videos, but I'm just going to show some other steps that really helped me. So yeah, so continue to watch and let's start from the basics. So first of all, into just go ahead and and type ms config. You can type it in run, whatever you want, you can just do it. Yeah, so once you're there in your ms config, guys, then what you need to do here, you will see the startup. So make sure that you have disabled all, and if your PC, if you are on a low end PC, just I suggest to do disable all mostly. Okay, and once we are in the services tab, guys, just click on the hide all Microsoft services and make sure that you disable all. For me, I've already disabled, so this option is not coming up. Click on OK, then make sure to restart your PC. Okay, or do it afterwards after this video ends. Okay, so then what you need to do, guys, next is just go ahead to the computer and right click and click on properties. And once here, guys, just click on system protection, and here what you need to do is just go ahead and advance and startup and recovery, click on setting, and here what you need to do is make sure that you uncheck these two options and click on this to none and click on OK, and that's it. So this was the step 2, and now let's get started with the step 3, guys. Just go ahead and type just run the cmd and make sure to run it as administrator. And yeah, once you're here, just type sfc scan now. Okay, so it will automatically repair and beginning the, yeah, as you could see, it will automatically start the verification of a system and it will check. So now let me just do it, minimize, and do it work. And yeah, so this was the step 3, guys. Now let's start with the step 4. So the step 4 is yeah, so the step 4 is, guys, just go ahead to services. Okay, and services running on this computer. Yeah, so it will show you something like this. And here what you need to do is, guys, just let me just open an application identity, just double click on it here and click on recovery. And here by default it will be run the program, so just make sure to take no action and do this for first, second, okay, and for this also, and just click on apply and click on OK. So that's it. Once you're done with that, guys, that's it. And yeah, everything is fine and you can do, and it may really work. So as I said, the 5th step is nothing but, guys, just clean your CPU fan. So this is also the thing which really worked for one of my subscriber, guys. So make sure to clean your CPU fan, and then only just let me know which step really worked for you. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope this small video is really helpful, and if yes, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's your host Mr. Nivas. I'll see you in my next video. Signing out.